Reminisce to the time when we used to play around. We used to listen to the radio, even watch your favorite TV show. Back then it wasn't complicated, try to get my own thing going. But when you would get frustrated and wouldn't understand anything, you would cry and roll your eyes. That's when things got so complicated. Oh, too much for me. I know she wants your love, she wants to do. We can just sit together and do what lovers do. And when things get so dusty, you run for the hills and never come back. Just know that you'll return and all will be okay. Wait for a minute, girl. Hold your breath for a minute. What can I say? I can look the way. You can call me baby. Oh, why did you do all the things you did? Got me holding up a sign, not interested. Now I'm standing here looking lame. Oh, wondering whom to blame. Oh, pick me up one time. Never ever thought a girl would change my rhyme. Now I'm going back, getting on track. Girl, you can go your way. I know she wants your love.